Hello everyone, welcome to Metaverse Insider. In this video, we will learn how the store in Oculus Quest 2 is being arranged so we can use it efficiently. Under store, we have the featured, and this is how it looks like presently. Then the top chart, what is the top selling apps or games in here? For example, Job Simulator, Beat Saber, and Super Hot VR. And then the most popular here, including the YouTube VR record room. Then if you want to know the new released apps or games, we have here, check out the latest releases on Oculus Quest, updated weekly. And then the categories, we have here the Oculus Originals and social experiences, then the racing and flying if you want that, then kinetic sports, the arcade excitement for the games, and the challenging puzzlers, strategy and simulators, rule the games and bust out your brain power in VR. One of my favorite categories here is powerful productivity. So check out these apps to help you increase your productivity in VR. We have Noda, we have Big Screen Beta, Spatial, we have the Engage, and Virtual Desktop, and so on. If you want to be productive in Metaverse, you can try those apps. Music games, if you want to listen to music, and then movies and narratives in here, and travel adventures, explore the unknown and let VR take you to those never seen before places. The Alcove, Homestar VR, Space Explorers, and so on. And then if you want the documentary history, we have also here, and the blockbuster action is also here, and the relaxing experiences, unwind in incredible destinations or surreal environments. And let's find your new favorite place here. And then get creative, we have also that kind of category. And of course the horror type if you want that, and the browse all, so browse our entire catalog of VR experience. Then after that, in here, the browse all, you can browse all of them, of course, as it says here. Browse the entire catalog of VR experiences in here. Then we have the wish list, and at this time nothing there. Here we have the release date if you want to arrange it A to Z and Z to A, comfort rating, popularity, user rating, price, low to high, and high to low. And then if you want to search, you can also search from here. Say for instance, I want to search educational videos or educational apps. See here, if I want educational apps, I can search it from here. For instance, Adam Savage's Tested VR, Mission ISS, Quest, Noda, Ocean Rift, who live here, and so on. Then on the right side, we have here filter by app category. Let's open that, and under that we have the games and the apps. For instance, the games X or browse it all, and so many types of games. Then for the apps, we have here also, they already saw some of them, but here we have the Shapes VR, Spikes, and so many things. And next to that is genre. If you want action, adventure, animation, arcade, and so on, creativity, documentary, educational, entertainment. For example, if you want creativity, see here, you will easily see all the apps pertaining to creativity. Okay, then documentary, if you want the documentary app, you can click that documentary and it will pop up here. Education, at this time nothing. Fitness, so fitness, we have here one, and you see there's a price there, and this games and fitness. And let's see the internet browser, we have the Firefox Reality and then Oculus browser here. And then the media players, we have here Pegasus, Deo VR, Big Screen, Skybox, Virtual Desktop, okay, multiplayer, music, and rhythm. Let's try that. Dance Central. If you want to dance, you can have that, and so many things here. Let's try the relaxation. Okay, if you want to be relaxed, you can click that relaxation and you will see these apps here, and you can try them. And let's see simulation. Yeah, here we have, you can find simulation also, and the sports. Okay, Echo VR, Cloudlands, Creed, even Red Bull is there, and the travel and nature. Okay, travel and nature, you can see here we have the Horizon venues, the VARC, Nature Treks VR, and National Geographic, Wonder, Ocean Rift. Next is, okay, rating. You can either choose 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's see the pricing. Under pricing, we have here free or under $9.99 up to $30 plus. Let's see what are the apps and games that are free. So you can download them if you want. Okay, free. We have the Horizon venues and VARP. It's free. Then under $9.99, let's see. Okay, we have here Ocean Reef, Wonder, National Geographic apps, and so on. Let's see the game mode. If you want single user, multiplayer, cooperation or co-op, and media, you can do that. Let's see the single user. Here, this kind of apps are single user, and multiplayers. Wonder is a multiplayer app, and co-op. Wonder also is a cooperation or co-op. Media, no result at this time. Player mode, it's either you are sitting, standing, or room scale. Select type is either it is on sale. Let's see on sale. No result. Okay, this is the overview of how you can access and use the store efficiently. Okay, let's go back. So in the left side, we have here, let's review, featured, top charts, new releases, categories, browse all, and wish list. And then at the center, it displays all the apps and games. And here at the top bar, you can search the category that you want. And on the right side here, there are some items here. If you want to filter app category, games or apps, genre, it's either action, adventure, and so on. Those are the tips how you can explore the store on Oculus. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. I do hope you learned from this video. See you in the metaverse.